Okay, here we go, guys. Let's get going here. First, I'm just going to start by doing the disassembly of the motor. Um, so it's going to get the studs and things out of the way first, and then we'll work forward from there. So I kind of got some tools ready over here, but okay, so I guess we'll just start pulling these nuts off and work our way back out. Just want to make sure I get some of this extra stuff out of the way so it's not hitting the table everywhere when we're trying to do stuff. And the object of this is that, I mean, these motors were put together quickly, so it's a matter of let's just go through it and make sure everything is how it should be, so we can make it last longer. I'm sure it'll run just the way it is, um, but if we want to make it last a little bit longer, we can maybe fix stuff if there's something obvious inside. All right, those out of the way. Let's see here. Looks like the studs will come out. A little bit of finger strength, but they come out of there. Got that one. Got that one. Otherwise, you can just double nut them to get them out. But it seems like I got these holes cleaned up pretty good where they screw in smooth. Those are out of there. Let's see if we can find one of those little dishes. I think I have a parts dish here somewhere. There you go. Just so stuff doesn't go flying on us. Anyway, all right. I'm gonna pull these off. I guess we got these here. Advantage of the video is I can always just go back and watch it if I need to figure out where something went. I got the ones on here. I'm assuming these are. Oh, oh. I guess that's the thing is once you get it, everything needs to be tightened up before you want to run it. Everything's essentially finger tight, just enough to make it here for shipping. Is there a gasket there, or? Oh yeah, there it is. Well, it's stuck on there a bit. Let's see if we can get this off without wrecking it. It's a little X-Acto knife here. There we go. Set that up here. So nothing there. Okay. Start pulling some of these covers off. So that's a 3 mil. The advantage is everything's just kind of sitting in there, so not too tough. These are all the same length. Cover, gasket. Alright. It's a little bumpy, so when we put this back together, we may just kind of smooth things out before we reassemble it. It's just for dust and stuff, but still. Run it out in the rain. I don't want water to get in here. I'm not real sure if it would really do anything. These look like just regular screws. Put this little cap thing off. So like 4mm bullets on these connectors. And this is a electrician's screwdriver. It's got a Phillips, but it's got the straights on it, so it will help with with these if they're a little bit hard to get out. Gonna just do the normal, put the screwdriver in there and give it a tap before we crank on it, keep them from stripping out if they are tight. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. Oh boy, that one was in there. Oh, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. First one was easy, but boy, there we go. Alright. That wasn't too bad. I'm glad they were tight, unless they just have all the outside stuff loosened up. Alright. See if we can get this out of here. Sliding one, yeah, there we go. That worked. Slide one bullet back just so it has a easier way out the hole. Alright, so little coil here. Definitely gonna tinker with this later and see if we can make some improvements. Or just we'll see. Might be able to add a few rounds to it or something for an auxiliary line. Not sure. We'll see. All right. Well, I got that off. Take this off here. That's the little clutch lever. It does look like they painted the cases before they assembled it, so that's kind of cool. I don't know if I want to repaint it or not. Alright, so there are two different lengths. This one that goes to the outside here is the longer one. It's also a open hole, so you can essentially have any length you want there. There's plenty of room. Alright. Oh, there we go. If you wiggle the rod around, there's like a spot that it comes out. Put that over here, cover over there. Alright. Get a little bit of tiny bit of grease on here, so well, once we get time to put it together, we'll probably add more. So this is a little solid rod. Possibly stainless. It's very lightly magnetized there. So. I'm watching the videos. There's supposed to be a ball in here. I don't know if I can get that out of there. No, don't know. Maybe we'll just do this. Wow. Okay. Well. Oh, did it come out? Oh, yeah, it did. Okay. Here it is. And the dish. Okay. What size is that? Just out of curiosity. Just in case I lose it, I can always find a, because these are like normally standard sizes here, so it's 8 mil. It's 8 millimeter. Okay, so if I ever lose one, there you get one of those packages that has a bunch of different sizes in it.